Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard Competitors. PPC Protect prevents click fraud and invalid traffic using advanced AI to monitor your ads in real time, analyzing each click and using the data from millions of clicks to determine if the click is legitimate or fraudulent. Through this, PPC Protect protects the integrity of over $1 billion of PPC acquisition data each year for marketing, revenue, finance, and operations teams. Clixtell technology helps businesses increase sales, profit, and ROI. We identify and automatically block invalid clicks. Gain insight about clicks, calls, and conversions by revealing the visitor's full journey from search keywords to call and conversion. Competitors and bots can click on your ads and waste your advertising budget. ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will exclude invalid IP and block fake clicks. This will boost your campaigns and allow you to acquire more customers. Don't let ad click fraud eat up your PPC campaign budget. With more than 50 highly integrated and customizable features, ClickGUARD builds a firewall around your ads to detect, stop, and prevent all illegitimate, invalid, money-wasting click fraud. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.